welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to do a flip through. Well, you guys know I love fall. I think I've made that abundantly clear from my fall haul and fall series. And I had pre-ordered the Autumn Charm coloring book. It's the latest Teresa Goodridge one, and it finally came. I was so antsy. I wanted to film it the day I got it, but I didn't get it till like 8 o'clock last night. So it's like, first thing in the morning. So this will be the rare opportunity where a video will be filmed and posted the same day. But anyway, very excited to show you guys this. I have not looked through it, and that has been like killing me because it's been sitting here on my art desk calling my name since last night. So I wanted to flip through and check it out with you guys. So it is a Creative Haven one. That's where you'll find Teresa Goodridge's books. I love everything she creates, so excited. Oh, it has the perforated edges, so this one's already detaching. The perforated edge actually looks more pronounced on this one. All right, so here we go. The title page. All right. Oh, that's beautiful. Autumn, the year's last loveliest smile. Oh, that one's cute. That'd be a fun one. Now her pages are very detailed. I know. Trust me. I know. Oh, Scout is saying hello. Oh, that one is adorable. The paper feels a little different on this one than other Creative Haven books. Rougher, almost. Others who got this book, you'll have to let me know, but it does feel rougher. That's gorgeous. It'd be more Halloween, though, with a jack-o'-lantern. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, look at that one. See, this is a very busy page, but it would still be fun. Oh, cute. For some reason, this is making me want to break out my ink tents. So this one just released, literally, September 14th or 15th was the release date. I had pre-ordered it. She does have one coming out for Christmas, I think, or winter, which I pre-ordered, and another one coming out in January I have pre-ordered. She has a bunch of books this year coming out. Love everything she creates. I like these pages because they're fun to test pencil mediums. Like if I want to test if a certain pencil works well on this paper, I tend to use these ones she has in her books. Test color combos too. Yeah, the perforated edges are a lot more defined in this one, and the paper definitely feels different from a traditional Creative Haven one. I wonder if they changed up their paper. It almost, it's like a slightly thicker Create Space feeling paper. Normally their paper's smoother. Ooh, I love this one. It has the grapes, the apples, the pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That would be so fun. That's pretty too. Look at all those little mums to color. Ooh, that one would be fun with the fall leaves and fall colors. That'd be a lot of fun. It's a pretty one. Oh, that would be a fun one too. Little pond nearby or lake. Ooh, I like this one. That's what I love about fall. You sit there with like a cup of tea or coffee in the morning, read a book, or in my case color, but just it's so cozy and relaxing. Like you can't relax during the summer. You feel guilty. Like you should get out there, but then it's like 100 degrees. I like that one. Oh, that one's pretty too. Yeah, just the crisp air, sitting there with a hot drink. That'd be like a little hayride kind of thing. Ooh, that would be really pretty with fall colors all around. Yes. I like that one too. Little fall picnic. In the end, I always like to see how she's colored them. But yeah, guys, that is the latest Teresa Goodridge book, Autumn Charm, from Creative Haven. Still has the perforated edges like Creative Haven books usually have. And then it's just adorable artwork. So I am super excited to color in this one. And in fact, if there's a page you saw that you liked, let me know in the comments below and maybe I can do a color along. Like I said, I'm really itching to use my Inktense, and anytime I see fall pages, for some reason, I really want to use my Inktense. I don't know why, but it brings it out in me. So let me know if you saw something you liked, and I will definitely do a color along or even just a tutorial out of it. Thanks, guys, for hanging out with me and checking out this adorable new book from Teresa Goodridge. And until next time, take care.